So let us perform the practical now. Now you can see here. Am I audible to all? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay. Here you can see this is the experimental setup for the orifice. Okay. Finding the hydraulic coefficients of orifice. This is the tank, and you can see this is a circular orifice. It has been circular plate. Orifice plate is attached here to this tank. This is the measuring tank. So which we are going to measure the discharge. This is the suction pipe. This is the delivery pipe. And here one more wall is provided here to control the water flow inside the tank. This is a piezometric tube that is provided here to find out the head of water above the center of orifice. Okay. So now we'll allow to rise, make rise of water inside this particular tank to a certain level, and then we'll make it stable so that we can take the reading. Okay. Till that, here I will tell you how to take the reading of X and Y. Here you can see this is the pointer provided here. This pointer now it is pointing at the upper surface of the jet. Okay, I will make it some more here. For that reason, now it has become it should be at this point, right? Here we can note down the initial reading of Y1. We can see the pointer here. The value of Y1 is 115. Okay, so note down there Y1 as 115. That initial reading will be same. Okay, you can see here. this value. What is going to change? Y2 value is going to change. After sometimes, what we are going to do? We are going to bring this pointer here. Okay, so that it will point to the this water jet. Okay, and x value, we can say the value of x as a 0 here, because we are starting from the beginning here. Here we are going to mark this point. Other point is we are taking up the marking for here. It might be there. Then for pen, initial earlier marking is there. Once again, I will mark here. Okay. This will be the initial point. From this point, how much pointer we have moved here on this particular x-axis, x line. That value will be your x value, and this vertical value will be your y value. Okay. So now y1 value, I think you might have noted, it is 115. Okay. Now let us quickly up to what level this water level has rise. So to more increase in the water level, I need to close this wall. A wall may have taken a. Now you can see, you can observe there is a faster rise of water. It has been taking place here inside this tank. So initially, let us say we will fix this water level up to 140. 140 ला आपण या ठिकाणी फिक्स करूया. So I need to open this wall also. Return wall. Control the flow inside the tank. You can observe the water level is decreasing. With the help of this pipe, this wall, you can now control decrease in water level. So here, for reading purpose, we have to consider the lower meniscus. खालचा जो meniscus आहे तो आपल्याला या ठिकाणी reading साठी घ्यायचा आहे. Now you can see the water level has become somewhat stable here at 130. It has just gone below 130. Okay. I will increase the water level exactly at 130. So now it has become stable at 130. Okay. So now capital H value you can note down there. You can write down the capital H value in the first column, second column. Capital H is equal to 130 mm. Convert that mm to meter afterwards. Okay, right now write it 130, or you can write it as a 0.13 meter directly. Okay, and here now let us say this particular. Let us fix this horizontal x value. I will shift it. At this particular point. Okay. Or let us say at this point. Already one mark is there. So up to this point, I am shifting it here. Okay. We will measure the horizontal distance between this point, this line, and this line which we have marked earlier, initial line. Okay. Then this we will get this value as a x value, and we will keep this value constant, x value constant, and just we will check what is the change in the y value. Okay. So now what I will do, I will lower this vertical pointer in lower direction. You can observe here this x value it is fixed here, and I have adjusted this accordingly, and this y value. You can see the pointer is just touching to this particular point z. Okay, water is just touching to the z. Now here you can note down the reading. The reading is coming as 155, 155. Okay, and this is the y reading, right? Y2 reading. Y1 reading was 115, right? And Y2 reading it is coming as 155. Now 155 minus 115, how much it comes?
For
155 minus 115. It is 40. So this is the y value. Okay, this is your y value. 40 mm means 0.04 meter. Okay, and what is x value? Now here you can observe there is a no scale provided horizontal on this horizontal rod. So we need to take the scale to measure this particular x value. So here you can measure this value. Uh, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It is coming up to this point. Okay, can you observe it? This is the zero I have set here, and this reading you can see this is the mark. It is coming up to this. Let me count it because numbers are not visible on the scale. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16.5. 16.5 centimeter. In meter, how much it will be? 0.165. Okay. Have you noted the value? Value of x 0.165 is the x value, and that x value we are going to keep constant. Okay, x value will be remain same, but we will check whether the change in the y value. Okay, after changing the head change केल्यानंतर त्या ठिकाणी काय बदल होतो आपण त्या ठिकाणी बघू. Our next task is to measure the actual discharge. Okay, so I have closed this ball now here. So let us consider here this point 20 mm as a start point, and from 20 we will, let us say, up to 50. How much time it will take? 30 centimeter rise होण्यासाठी किती वेळ लागेल तो आपण या ठिकाणी measure करूया. At 20, when it will come at 20, I will start the stopwatch. The reading will not be visible to you. That okay, wait. Start. तीस ते 60 च्या दरम्यान घेतोय मी रीडिंग. Stop. So 20.50. Okay, 20.50 you can take the time, or 20.55 also you can take. What is the time required to rise the water level from 30 mm to 60 mm? So h value, small h value you can take there as a 30 mm or 0.03 meter. आणि टाइम किती घेतला त्या ठिकाणी? 20.55 seconds. Okay, so that's reading we have taken. Now what I am going to do, I will increase here the water level. Okay. Water level आपल्या ठिकाणी वाढेल दिसेल. 30 पासून आता वरती जाईल. 130 होती आपल्याकडे. Now it has rise here 140. We will take 160 घेऊया या ठिकाणी. 130 to
Sir, volume
yes.
of water collected. ते फर्स्टचं केस.
नंतर करा. कॅल्क्युलेशन पार्ट नंतर करा. Can you observe here the water level has become stable? At 160. now you can note down the reading capital H for the second reading. Capital H is equal to 160 mm. In meter, you can note it as a 0.16. Okay, 0.16 meter. Now here you can observe the jet has become somewhat stronger. Okay, the water level या ठिकाणी y ची व्हॅल्यू आता या ठिकाणी कमी झालेली दिसेल तुम्हाला. ठीक आहे, x व्हॅल्यू तीच ठेवूया आपण. y ची व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी आपण बदलतो. You can see here now the jet is just touching, that pointer is touching to the jet surface, and here the reading has come 140. Okay, आता 140 चाललंय. मग किती होता? 155 होता का?
हा सर.
आता व्हाईट वाला आपला 140 वजा 115. मग 40 चालतं बरोबर आहे. 140 वजा 115. So it has come 25. So y value has come 25 mm.
सेंटीमीटर.
Yes.
मग अशी सेंटीमीटर मध्ये सांगितलेली.
सेंटीमीटर मध्ये नाही mm मध्ये. हे रीडिंग mm मध्ये. एक ऑब्झर्व दिस रीडिंग. त्याचे रीडिंग जे आहेत तुम्हाला हे 1 ते 10 100 ह्या रेंज मध्ये आहेत ना. हे तुमचे mm चे रीडिंग आहेत. ठीक आहे. आणि x ची रीडिंग तुम्हाला मी सेंटीमीटर मध्ये सांगितली होती कारण ती स्केल वेगळी होती. याच्यावरची रीडिंग आहेत y च्या या mm मध्ये. तुम्हाला मी त्यावेळेस मीटर मध्ये पण कन्वर्ट करून सांगितलेलं आहे. मीटर मधले रीडिंग लिहा. आता मीटर मध्ये तुम्हाला किती सांगितलं मी? mm मध्ये आलं हे 25 mm. So 25 mm divided by 1000, 0.025 is the y value. 0.025. Right. Now let us measure the. Once again, let me check here the change in the y. Let's somewhat risen here. Though there is a small rise. Can observe here. Water level थोडी त्या ठिकाणी वाढलेली. Now it has come 160. So let us measure now the discharge, actual discharge here. I'm going to close this wall here. From 30 only I will start. Start. Stop. 18 seconds or 18.25 seconds you can write. 18.25 seconds. So what was the time taken for the first reading?
20.2.
Okay, now time has reduced. Why time has reduced? Because discharge has been increased here. Why discharge increased? Because there is a rise in the head. आपण हेड वाढवलेलं आहे त्यामुळे या ठिकाणी discharge पण वाढला. So again here let us further increase the discharge, that head that closing this. थोडी खाली आलती लेवल पाण्याची 160 आपण 180 ला घेऊया. You can see there water level has reached to 180. So capital H 180 mm meter मध्ये काय 0.18. Okay. So now let us see now reading here. You can observe again the jet has become more stronger, and I have to take this pointer upside. Jet is not stable. Okay. I can see it is touching to the surface, upper surface of the water, upper surface of the jet. You can note down the reading here. 135. 135. Let me check it. It is just 180. 135 minus 115.
20.
135 minus 115. It is coming 20 mm or 0.02 meter. Right. So let us now measure the discharge. I will close this. So it has come time as of 14.85 seconds. The time has come 14.85 seconds. Now I will close the pump as it has become somewhat hot. So 3 readings we have taken, right? So for these 3 readings, you will find out the hydraulic coefficients for this orifice. Okay. So how much time you have taken there? Last time is 14.85 seconds. Okay. have taken your attendance. Yes. Now let us do the calculation part. Okay, before that, tell me the readings. For the first reading, what was the head?
0.13 meter.
Yes, anyone? Capital H किती घेतला होता?
0.13 meter.
1 minute, 1 minute. I am unable to listen as the voice is reduced here. Once again, repeat, Mayuri.
0.13 meter.
Here 0.13. For the second, what is the head?
0.16.
And for third, 0.18.
18.
Okay. Rise in water level, water in a measuring tank. So we have taken it as a 0.03 meter. Okay, 30 mm घेतला होता म्हणजे 0.03. The same was for the second, same was for the third. Okay, 30 mm rise. Then here the volume will be same. How to find out this volume? This cross section area of the tank multiplied by this reading. Okay, so do the calculation. 0.135 multiplied by 0.03, and you will get the volume as 4.05 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, 30 mm 0.03, correct. And the same will be the volume for this 3. Now time taken here. In for the first reading, how much it was?
55.
20.55. For the second reading?
18.25.
And for the third?
14.85.
14.85. Right. So these were the reading. So now next observation, x and y. So x1, x value here. First, for the first reading, what was the x? X is same for the other 3 readings. Okay, what is that value?
1.65 meter.
16.5 centimeter it was there, na? So if you divide it by 100, it will become 0.165. So x value will be 0.165. For this also same, for this also same. Because x आपण बदललेलं नाहीये. Y ची व्हॅल्यू आपण त्या ठिकाणी काढलेली वेगवेगळी. For the first reading, what was the y1? Y value?
0.04 meter.
0.04. For the second?
0.025.
0.025. For third?
0.02.
20. Okay, so these are the observations that we have got here for this particular practical. Now let us do the calculation here. Q theoretical, Q actual, CD, CV. Q theoretical. What is the formula for Q theoretical? Area of the orifice. What is the area of orifice? 1.767 into 10 to the power minus 4. This is the area of orifice multiplied by under root of 2gh. 2 into 9.81 into, now what is the value of h? 0.13 for the first reading, right? 0.13, bracket complete. And here we got
the theoretical discharge for the first reading as 2.82 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. Similarly, now let us simultaneously find out the discharge, theoretical discharge for the second and third run. For the second run, the H was 0.16. So here I have got the theoretical discharge as 3.13 into 10 to the power minus 4. And for the third run, the capital H was 0.18, bracket complete here, and I have got here the Q theoretical discharge as a 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. Now, actual discharge. We want to find out, let's find out what is the actual discharge here. To find out the actual discharge, we need the volume, and volume is same that we have kept 4.05 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by time. Now time is changing 20, 18 and 14 like that, right? So divide that value by time. First 20.55 seconds, and here I got the Q actual as 1.97 into 10 to the power minus 4. Right. For the second reading, the time is 18.25, and the discharge is coming here 2.21 into 10 to the power minus 4. And for the third, the discharge is coming 14, time is coming 14.85, and discharge is coming 2.272 excuse me, into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. Now let us find out the CD. What is CD? CD is nothing but actual divided by theoretical. So 1.97 divided by 2.82. Is it 82? For the first discharge. .9 divided by 2.82. And I have got the CD for the first reading as 0.67. I have got the CD for the first reading as 0.67. Then second, 2.21 divided by 3.13, and here I got the CD as 0.70. Next, for the third reading, 2.72 divided by 3.32, and I'm getting here the discharge CD as 0.81. Okay, if I do the average of this, 0.81 plus 0.7 plus 0.67 divided by 3, सगळे समेशन करायचे divided by 3 करायचे. I have got here CD as 0.72. Okay. Then next is the CV. To find out the CV, what is the formula? X divided by under root of 4YH. What is X value here? X value we have kept constant, and that X value is 0.165. So 0.165 divided by under root of 4 into H and Y. What is H? H is capital H. That capital H is nothing but 0.13 for the first reading into Y. 0.04 is the Y for the first reading, right? 0.04 bracket complete is equal to CV is coming 1.14 for the first reading. It is exceeding 1. एक पेक्षा जास्त यायला लागले. 1.14. Okay. Then for the second reading, 0.16 is the H and Y is 0.025 bracket complete 0.025. Again, it is coming greater than 1. It is coming 1.30. Okay. Some calculation mistake, that observation mistake may lead to such kind of problems. 0.18 is the capital H and Y is 0.020 bracket complete. And here I have got the CV again increased 1.37. So the average, if I find it, 1.37 plus 1.30 plus 1.14 divided by 3, 1.27 is the CV that has come in here, average CV. Then CC is nothing but just we have to divide that CD by CV. Then you will get 0.67 divided by 1.14. And I have got here the CC as 0.58. Okay, for the first reading. Then 0.7 divided by 1.3. I have got the second CC as 0.538. Okay, I can write 54. I can write it here 54. And for the third reading, 0.81 divided by 1.37. Here I am getting 0.59. Okay, so the average CC here I can find by just adding it 0.15 plus 0.54 plus 0.59 and dividing it the summation by 3. Here I got the CC as 0.57. So the average value of CC, it has come 0.57. Okay. So now in the conclusion, you can write down there here these values. The average value of CD, it has come 0. I will use the different color, 0.72. Average value of CV 1.27. Average value of coefficient of contraction, it has to be written here, so that value is 0.57. Okay, so these are the readings. Conclusion you can write down there. Okay, everyone understood this practical number 5, calibration of orifice? Do the calculation and check whether you are getting the same answer. If you are getting different, let us check who has gone wrong, and we will correct that calculation part. Everyone understood the calculations? Those who have joined late, they may not be able to understand what is going on. Those who have just come for the attendance and not having proper attention, they may not get anything. So we have again 15 minutes more. So till that, within this, if anyone is facing any problem in doing calculation or understanding the concept, you can unmute and you can ask the question. Observation table, these are the readings for the observation, and then This is the resultable reading, and these are the calculation for conclusion value. Has anyone solved? Have done the calculation? Let me know. Well, let me ask one by one. Saili Bhosle,
Yes, sir.
are you doing calculation?
चालू आहे sir.
Okay. Vaishnavi, Vaishnavi Honmane, roll number 6. बघा एक कॅन्डिडेट सापडला झोपलेला. She might have slept. Roll number 7, Pragati. Pragati Jadhav. Are you there? See, another candidate has slept. Roll number 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Calculation झाले का तुमचे?
Sir, चालू आहे.
Okay. Roll number 9.
Yes, sir.
Over calculation part.
झाले sir calculation.
Have you got the same values or different?
Same आले sir answer.
Okay. Roll number 10.
Yes, sir.
Have you solved the calculations?
चालू आहे sir.
Okay, do it first. Roll number 11.
Yes, sir.
Have you done the calculation?
चालू आहे sir.
Okay. Next, roll number 12. Roll number 13.
Yes, sir.
झाले का calculation?
चालू आहे sir.
Roll number 14.
Yes, sir.
Calculation झाली का?
चालू आहे.
Roll number 15. Okay, who was that? Mayuri. Have you done the calculation part? Mayuri, your voice is not reaching to me. Next, roll number 16.
Yes, sir.
Have you done the calculation?
करते sir.
Okay, roll number 17.
Yes, sir.
झाले का calculation?
झाले sir, झाले.
Have you got the same result?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roll number 19.
Yes, sir.
Are you doing the calculation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. CV कसं फाइंड केलं समजलं नाही. Okay, I will repeat it once again. CV formula, just you see there, what is the formula for CV? This is under root of x square upon 4yh. Okay, instead of writing this also you can write here directly x here in the numerator. Okay, and divided by, because x square त्याचा under root of x square म्हणजेच x, right? आणि ह्या खाली जे आहेत हे स्क्वेअर रूट या ठिकाणी लिहू शकते. That is 4yh. Use this formula. The value of x will be constant. We have not changed. That is 0.165, right? So while doing calculation in calculator, you can keep this part constant. Just go on changing this y and h value, right? What is the y value? Y value is this values. Okay, and what is h value? This h is capital H actually. Okay, I will write it as capital H. And this h is nothing but this h. Okay, this h1, this h, this h. So we have to put that values to get the value of CV. Got it? Okay. Next. Roll number 19.
Yes, sir.
Calculation झाले का?
Yes, sir. Last part राहिले sir.
Roll number 20.
Yes, sir.
Have you done the calculation?
Yes, sir.
Have you got the same result?
Same.
Okay. Roll number 21.
Yes, sir.
Have you got the same result?
Yes, sir.
22.
Yes, sir.
Have you done the calculation?
Yes, sir.
Have you got the same result or different?
Yes, sir.
Roll number 23. Roll number 23. Sunaina Thakre. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Have you done the calculation?
Yes, sir.
Have you got the same values?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roll number 24.
Yes, sir.
Have you done the calculations?
Yes, sir.
Have you got the same results?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then roll number 30. Sanush.
Yes, sir.
Have you got the same result?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then roll number 33. Ashish. Roll number 33. Ashish Borade. Are you there? See, one more candidate has slept. Roll number 35. Rohan. हे पण झोपले बघा. Roll number 36. Yuvraj.
Yes, sir.
Have you done the calculations?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then roll number 41.
Yes, sir.
41. Have you done the calculations?
चालू sir.
Speak loudly.
चालू sir होतं.
चालू आहे. बरं. Roll number 42. Akshay.
Yes, sir.
झाले का calculation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Roll number 46. Vikram.
Yes, sir.
झाले का calculation?
झालं.
Roll number 47. Sunny.
Yes, sir.
Have you done the calculations?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roll number 50. Vivek. Vivek Kale. झोपले बघा हे कॅन्डिडेट. आदित्य कांबळे. रोल नंबर 51.
Yes, sir.
कॅल्क्युलेशन झाले?
Yes, sir.
ओके. नेक्स्ट आदित्य रोल नंबर 52.
sir. Yes, sir.
ओके. 53. रोल नंबर 53. वैभव खंडागळे.
Yes, sir.
झाले कॅल्क्युलेशन?
सुरू आहेत sir.
ओके. Then roll number 55. Vishal.
Yes, sir.
Have the calculations?
चालू आहे sir.
Okay. Roll number 56. Shubham.
Yes, sir.
झाले का calculation?
Yes, sir. CC चालू आहे starting आता.
Okay. Roll number 60. Prajwal.
Yes, sir.
Calculation झाले?
झाली sir.
Okay. Roll number 61. Atharv.
Yes, sir.
Over.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 62, Yash.
चालू आहेत सर.
Okay. Roll number 65, Anurag.
येस सर.
Have you done the calculations?
येस सर झालेत.
Roll number 66, Sanket. Roll number 66.
येस सर.
Have you done the calculations?
हा सर सेवीचे चालू आहेत.
Roll number 67.
येस सर.
Have you done the calculations?
येस सर.
69.
येस सर.
झाले का तुमचे?
हो सर.
रोहन. Roll number 70. Roll number 70. Rohan Mansale. I think he has slept. Roll number 71, Rohit. Rohan and Rohit Mansale. Both are slept. Roll number 76, Vishal. Roll number 76. He has also slept. Roll number 77, Rushikesh. Rushikesh Jethe. See, again he has slept. Roll number 18, Pooja.
Yes, sir.
झाले calculation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ज्यांचे कॅल्क्युलेशन आता अजून राहिले आहेत डू इट फास्ट. Okay, now time is over. Now let us stop here. I think no one is having any problem regarding this practical. If anyone still have any kind of problem regarding this particular practical number 5 calibration of orifice, you can contact me, so I will clear your doubt. Okay, so thank you for your participation in this practical. So let us stop here. Thank you for all.